Introducing Biolite BaseCamp, complete cooking, grilling, and charging for groups.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Alec.
We're the founders of Biolite and co-creators of our core technology found in the camp stove, home stove, and now in the BaseCamp stove.
Here's how it works.
The BaseCamp converts heat from the fire into usable electricity via a thermoelectric generator housed within the orange power pack. This powers a fan that blows air back into the burn chamber for improved combustion. The surplus electricity is then sent to a USB port, allowing you to charge your devices. Over the past year, a brilliant team of engineers and designers have been working on this new product to deliver you a unique, fun, and most importantly, high-performance experience. Incorporating thoughtful feedback from our camp stove users, we've made a series of updates and improvements that we can't wait to get out to you. Here's what the team's been up to. We updated the power pack so that it generates 5 watts and stores power. We also built a smart dashboard that allows users to easily see how hot the fire is and how much electricity is being generated. We increased the size of the cooktop to accommodate larger groups. And we developed a dual-purpose cooking surface with a one-touch grill-to-boil lever, transforming the flame to meet different cooking needs at the flip of a switch. We added folding legs for adjustable cooking height and a bucket handle for easy portability. And we're including a flexible USB light to aid in nighttime or low-light conditions. It always helps to see what you're cooking. We can learn a lot from our users, in the outdoors and at home.
We're Aquaforno, and this is the Aquaforno 2. Since 2011, we've been making award-winning telescopic multi-stoves designed to be used with wood, charcoal or gas all year round. The Aquaforno 2 is the perfect stove for everyone who enjoys spending time and cooking in the great outdoors. It's like a kitchen in a backpack, so you can cook your meals, keep warm, and even have your hot drinks on tap. We originally came up with the idea because we wanted to make pizzas for our daughters while camping, but couldn't with a standard barbecue. The Aquaforno 2 has now evolved to be a world-class product after years of R&D and listening to feedback from our customers.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Unlike most outdoor barbecues or fire pits, the Aquaforno 2 is incredibly versatile. The unique patented design gives you so many cooking choices from one simple collapsible unit. Fancy a hot drink? Simply filling the side tank with water, in just minutes you can be enjoying a hot coffee. The sidearms are perfect for getting things dry. You can bake anything from pizza to breads and puddings. It's great for feeding small groups or large parties. You can grill, fry or sauté, or cook your Sunday roast. Another unique feature is to smoke all foods from meats to fish, or even use the rotisserie. The kids will love the sweet treats, like freshly toasted brioche. It's perfect whether you're camping, hunting, or at home in the garden, on a day out, or tailgating at the game. And even warm your soul with mulled wine on tap.
We're Biolite, and we love fire. A campfire is all about gathering round, but the smoke that comes with it can often get in the way of sticking around. It's time to upgrade your fire with the Biolite Fire Pit. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the Biolite Fire Pit is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire, so you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, the fire pit features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The high-temp coated steel chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames from the palm of your hand with the free Biolite app that talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 24 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and it detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. Utilize the USB port on the side to connect Biolite lighting for a perfect outdoor setup. And when you're not burning, that same USB port doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Exclusively for our Kickstarter backers, your pledge comes with a free integrated solar cover that automatically recharges the fire pit when not in use. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the fire pit's folding legs and the solar cover's integrated straps make it easy to transport. If you can carry a cooler to your favorite outdoor spot, you can carry this no problem. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The fire pit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill for epic outdoor meals.
Introducing the Solo Stove Bonfire, a backyard fire pit like you've never seen before. The Bonfire uses the same patented design and technology as our other Solo Stoves, but it's our largest model yet. It's designed with a unique double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the bonfire to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls. This preheated air allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn means you'll get more fire from your logs compared to an open fire pit. The bonfire is super durable, made out of premium 304 stainless steel, and is backed by a lifetime guarantee. We can't wait to bring the soothing ambiance, the dancing flames, and the rustic smell of a glowing campfire straight to your backyard. We're excited to play a small part in bringing you together with family and friends in the outdoors.
Step further by making it increasingly accessible and easier to use. Say hello to Enki Stove Hob, the ultimate cooking station for your outdoor days. Hob is perfect for dinners in the garden, in the terrace, and for outdoor trips. Set the cooking station directly on the table, cook with your guests, and don't worry about the smoke. Save your energy and time you would spend to manage the coal or gas tanks and dedicate it to have fun with your friends. Cooking with Hob is very simple. Insert pellets and wood into the tank. Turn on like a normal fire and place the plate. Select the perfect temperature for each plate with the lever, and you will be immediately ready to cook your favorite dishes in a few minutes. Enki Stove's patented technology guarantees a smokeless, safe, and long-lasting flame. The process at the base is called cryolysis, a process that extracts the gas contained in the wood and burns it more efficiently, avoiding the emission of smoke. We have succeeded with you in winning the biggest challenge. Now with Enki Stove Hob, you can turn on and adjust your fire totally off-grid. Using Hob is good for the environment and your health. The supplied plate is in die-cast aluminum. It transfers heat gradually and naturally, protecting the nutritional values of food. Many things have changed since the first campaign, but our values are still the same. Enki Stove Hob is the cooking station that brings fire back to the center, as it always has been. Fire brings people together, warms them up, and nourishes them. Doing it without smoke and in an ecological way makes it even more fascinating.
We heard your requests, and that's why we're creating our largest stove yet, the Solo Stove Campfire. The Campfire uses the same design and technology as the original patented Solo Stove, but it's bigger. Don't worry though, it's still super efficient and weighs only 2 pounds. It's made out of premium stainless steel, and our one-piece construction ensures durability and quality. The Campfire is a perfect stove that your entire group of friends or whole family can enjoy at the same time. We wanted to bring that campfire experience and excitement to all of you who just want a simple and easy campfire, whether it's at a campsite or in your backyard. It's designed with a double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the stove to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls of the stove. This preheated air feeding back into the fire through the smaller holes at the top of the stove causes a secondary burn. This allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn also means you'll use much less wood compared to an open campfire.
We are GoSun, and we believe the sun can and will power the future. Solar power technology has become more popular and affordable than ever, but we are still burning fuel to cook. It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the GoSun Fusion. More than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable, yet large enough to feed a family, and can even cook with the sun at night thanks to an integrated electric heating element that cooks using a fraction of the energy of other electric stoves. It uses about the same power as your computer, but cooks a full meal for 5 in under an hour. If you don't have sunshine, all it takes is the push of a button to activate the 150-watt heater. With the optional lithium-ion power bank, you can easily carry enough energy to cook a meal anytime, anywhere. With the solar PV upgrade, the electricity used to charge the power bank can be made from the sun, so you're cooking on sunshine day or night. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the GoSun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes.
To provide affordable but reliable camping and emergency preparedness cooking solutions. We designed this emergency cook kit to provide you and your loved ones with the assurance that you will have a way to cook food and boil water in any situation. The Quick Stove Cook Kit includes a custom stainless steel pot with a sturdy handle that locks the lid down for easy transportation. The lid can also be used as a cooking pan, eating plate, or flipped upside down while cooking to be used as a double boiler. When not in use, the pot holds the stove and 2 fuel discs for easy transportation as a self-contained kit. The cube stove weighs less than a pound and is made of durable steel, which makes the stove strong enough to support any size pot or pan you would like to use. The stove is optimized to burn the Quick Stove fuel discs, but easily burns other fuel sources like hexamine fuel tablets, sterno cans, wood, charcoal, and alcohol burners. When using the provided pot and fire starters, you can boil 4 cups of water in under 4 minutes. The fuel disc is made of cedar and wax and will burn for 25 to 35 minutes. The fuel disc is essential for emergency preparedness because it is waterproof and because it can be stored for years without going bad. We hope you never have to use this emergency cook kit, but in the event that you do, you will be prepared to cook food, boil water, and provide heat in any situation.